what does a red flashing light and a yellow steady light mean on a DeWALT charger? So I have a battery here. What you need to do, enter it into the charger. As you can see, we've got a red flashing light and a steady yellow light. What this actually means is that the battery is either too hot or too cold. So what you need to do, take it off the charger and then let this come to room temperature. If it's too hot, put it in a cool place. If it's too cold, as you can see this, I put this in the fridge and it's got freeze on it. So this can happen like in winter months and things like that. Take it to a warm place. When we come back and our battery's warmed up or cooled down, whichever one you're having a problem with, put it in. And there you go. We're now charging our battery. So that's what the red and the steady yellow light means on your DeWALT charger. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.